Good morning students, my name is Asad, I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to discuss about the shapes and design, your chapter number 5, shapes and designs. So we are going to discuss about how to count the shapes and how many squares and how many triangles and circles also. So today just in your book, workbook, magic and count and write. Here written some questions here. Count and write. Look here, some squares, circles and triangle, and here also given some squares and triangles also. So let's we start now. How many shapes of each? How many shapes? How many shapes of each type are there in the following figures. Here given the question count and write, he is asking how many shapes of each type are there in the following figures. यहाँ पे figures in this page number 43, page number 43. Just open your book and write the how many squares here. We will take the question number first. Question number first is how many squares? How many squares? Look very proper way. See, one figure is I draw one figure. How many squares? So you think how many squares is possible in this given figure? So first we are going to count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can write here first. First figure 9. Then again we are going to write here how many possible figure. We are looking inside the figure. How many possible figure inside the how many possible squares inside the figure. So 9, 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. And then we are going to count here. This, look very carefully, one figure. So we are going to make separately. See here how many possible figure. See, one figure like this, one figure, then again make one figure like this. This one figure, and from here one figure, 2, then again see here one figure from down and one figure from here. So we can see here 4 figure in this side, 4 figure, possible figure, 2, 1 figure like this, 1 and here 2. So same things, 1 figure like this and another like this. So 4 figure is possible here. So we can write 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4, then again 9 plus 4 and one figure, big one, 1 square is here, 9 plus 4 plus 1. आप बिल्कुल अच्छी तरीके से देखिए, एक फिगर था जिसमें 2 लाइन ऐसे वर्टिकल और 2 हॉरिजेंटल, ऐसे 2 सीधी लाइनें और 2 हॉरिजेंटल लाइनें यहाँ पे ड्रा की गई हैं। यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे दोनों दो लाइनों से 9 जो है 9 स्क्वायर्स बनते हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 तो पॉसिबल इससे बनते हैं। अगर हम ये लाइन इरेज कर देते हैं तो एक फिगर, एक स्क्वायर ऐसे बन जाता है। सो लुक वेरी केयरफुली, एक स्क्वायर ये बनता है और फिर उसके बाद इसको ड्रा कर देते हैं और ये लाइन हम इरेज करते हैं तो एक स्क्वायर ऐसे बन जाता है। सी वेरी केयरफुली, एक स्क्वायर ऐसे बन जाता है। तो 1 प्लस 1, 2 ऑलरेडी। नाउ अगला पॉसिबल स्क्वायर हम इसको इरेज करते हैं, एक स्क्वायर ये बन जाता है। ओके, देन अगेन ड्रॉ इट नाउ एंड जस्ट नाउ इरेज दिस वन पॉसिबल फिगर लाइक दिस वन। ओके, सी लेट्स काउंट नाउ। देन 1 square, big one, 1 square is big one, 1 big 1 square like this, 1 square like this. So we can count 9 10 11 12 13 14. Total squares are 14. So answer is 14. How many squares in the given figure? See here, total number of square is 14. So we can write here total number of square is 14. See here, total number of square, number of squares, total number of square is 14. Total number of square, in the question number first, total number of square is 14. Our answer is 14. Total number of square is 14. Total number of square is 14. Okay students, let's see here. We will take the another figure. How many squares, how many circles? सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में आपको सर्कल दिया गया है। इन दिस सेकेंड क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में आपको सर्कल दिया है, आपको सर्कल को काउंट करना है। सर्कल कैसे है आपकी बुक में? 1 2 3 4 5 See in the question number second, how many circles are here? How many circles? Number of circles. number of circles. नंबर ऑफ सर्कल्स, आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड में नंबर ऑफ सर्कल्स आपको देखना है कितने सर्कल्स हैं। तो यहाँ पे 3 सर्कल्स हमको बिल्कुल इनसाइड, आप ध्यान से देखेंगे 3 सर्कल्स आपको इनसाइड दिखाई देते हैं। कैसे? 1 2 3 सर्कल्स आपको बिल्कुल अंदर की तरफ दिखाई देते हैं, इनसाइड द फिगर। सो 4 सर्कल्स इज कवर the inside figure. So we can write here 3 circles inside, 3 circles plus 4 circles are outside. This is the 4 circles. So how many total circles is 7? We can write here 7. Total number of circles is 7. We will take the next triangle picture, question number 3. See here, question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. How many triangles? Number of triangles. How many triangles? See in this figure, question number 3. In this figure, one triangle. Draw like this one triangle. One triangle is here, and see inside the triangle, inside the figure, one triangle is more. So we can draw here inside the triangle. And one vertical line is draw from vertex to corner to down. So you can count, or you have tried to count the how many triangle is given in this figure. So we are going to count here simply 1 2 3 4 triangle, 5 and 6 total. In the first look we see here total 6 triangle is here. Total 6 triangle is here. So we are going to make possible triangle. How much more possible triangle is here? So we are going to erase this. How many possible triangle is here? So simply 6 triangle is there, and first we erase this line. First we erase this vertical line. First we erase this vertical line. Vertical line we count now. See 1 2 3 and 4 triangle. 4 triangle is already here. 4 triangle. Then see here, I am going to erase all this one, and then possible triangle is 1 and 2. Possible triangle is 2 more. Then how much triangle is here? 6 plus 4 and 2 possible triangle is here. So we can write here 2. The number of total triangle is, okay, let's see here how many triangle is here. Possible triangle 6 plus 4 plus 2. The total number of triangle is 6 plus 4 10, and 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. The name of the number of triangle is 12. So we can count now once again. एक बार फिर हम इस फिगर को देखते हैं. पहला पॉसिबल, इस फिगर में पहला पॉसिबल ट्राइंगल क्या होता है जो हमको फर्स्ट लुक में पहली बार में दिख रहा है, उसको हम काउंट करते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6. पहले लुक में हमको जो फर्स्ट लुक है हमको वो ट्राइंगल कौन कौन से दिखते हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6. तो हमने इसको यहाँ पे 6 लिख लिया है. अब हम ये जो वर्टिकल लाइन बनते हैं, हाउ मच ट्राइंगल इज फॉर्म, 1 2 3 4, so we can write here 4. Then again all this inside triangle, all these 3 lines we are going to erase now and just draw one horizontal line. Then possible triangle is 1 2, so we again add 2. Then how much is there? 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 12. The number of triangles is 12, right? Just we are going to take another one, question number 4. Question number 4, what is given in question number 4? Okay students, see here what is the question number 4. First one is 1 2 3, then in the next page number 44, question number 4, page number 44, question number 4 is given the number of rectangle, number of rectangle are RECTANGLES. Number of rectangles RECTANGLES, नंबर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल्स. इस फिगर में हमको जो है, जो हमारी बुक में दिया गया है, इस फिगर में हमको रेक्टेंगल्स को काउंट करना है. लेट्स बिगिन. सी हियर, I am going to draw one rectangle. This shape is called rectangle. So we are going to count how much rectangle is in this figure. How many rectangles is in the figure. So first we look how much. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Or you count from here 1 2 3 4 5 6. First you write here the possible rectangle is 6. Okay, first possible rectangle is 6. Then we are going to erase this line. How much rectangle is 1 2 rectangle again we found. Okay, we are going to erase this line. How much is possible there? 2 again, 2 more. Okay, we can draw here 2 more. So this horizontal line, if you remove from here horizontal line, how much we found? 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 3 again, it's possible triangle 3 again. Then you think how many rectangles is here? So okay students, the question number again we are going to do this one. Question number 4. Question number 4 is here written. Question number 4, how many rectangles is in the figure? Do you know what is the rectangle? Rectangle means opposite sides are equal, means this line and this lines and this one is equal to each other. Okay, opposite side, इसकी आमने सामने की लाइनें बिल्कुल बराबर होती हैं और उससे जो शेप बनता है उसको हम लोग कहते हैं रेक्टेंगल. ओके, लेट्स सी हियर इन द क्वेश्चन गिवन हियर दिस वन very simple. In the first view, what we are going to see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. The first view, first we look this, how many how many rectangles is looking now. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we write here 6. Then again possible rectangle is, we are going to erase this line, this 1 and 2. Okay, remember 1 and 2, and when we erase this line, again 1 and 2, again 1 and 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And see here, when we erase this vertical line, three more are present in the figure. 1, 2, 3. 3, just we are going to write here 3 again. So complete this figure now and see how much is possible. This 6, 4, 3. Then again, when we erase this line, this both line we erase here, then 2 possible figures is again we found. See, total how much is there? 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, and 2 more, 13, 14, 15. 15's figure we are looking now. 15's figure. Then see here, 15's figure now, and plus when we erase this line, okay, continue this one. When we erase this line, make 3 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, now 6 and 4, and when we erase this one again, 2 sides, and this how much is there? 1, 2, 3. Then possible pictures is, and maybe forget we more 2, 1. Okay students, see here. Now let's the total number of 6 plus 8, 14, 15, 16, and 1 is big one. One rectangle is big one. Total number of okay, see here, total number of square is, total number of rectangle is 18. I hope you understand how it's come 18. See here, 6, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 again, when this vertical line, horizontal line, erase that one, 6 plus 3, how much? 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. Again, see here, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 and 4, 9 and 4, 13. Same that one, we erase this one, 14 plus 4, 14 plus 4, 17. 14 plus 14 plus 4, 17, and 1 square, big one square is 1 square. How much? It's come to 18. Our answer is 18. So I hope you understand. We will take the question number 5 now. Take the question number 5 now. We are going to draw the figure now. He is asking in this figure total number of triangle and rectangle. See here. We are going to hear question number A number of triangle. Number of triangles, how much? Let's count now. See how much triangles here, one horizontal line and one vertical line. So in the first view, what we are looking, triangle 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 2 to 4, 4 down and 4 up, it's come this 8. Okay, now see here, when this one triangle, total triangle is 1 and total triangle is here separately 1. When the draw is this one line and 2 more triangle is here. Okay, 2 more triangle is here. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10. Once here, see this one triangles come from here. One triangle comes to this way. How much? 2 and 2 triangles. One triangles come from this side and one triangle comes from this side. So we can say 4 triangle is more. Then 8 plus 2, 10 and 14. 14 triangles. Just we erase this all this one erase now this one and this one. So 2 more triangle is come this 2. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 4, 14 and plus 2. Total triangles is 16. So we are going to count this rectangle. Total rectangle. See here, total rectangle. We forget this line. This one and this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. First, in the first way, we are going to write here 4. 4 rectangle, and then forget this all this one part this one and one part this one. So 2 again. 4 plus 2. How much? 6. 6. And just forget this line and this line. 1 and 2. 2 again. 8. 2 plus 2 plus 2. 8. And this all one, whole one is one rectangle. Total number of rectangle is 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Then how much? 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2. 8 and 1. Total number of rectangle is 9. So today's class over now. Dear students, you watch the video 2, 3, 4 times. Then I hope you understand very well. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.